Be ready, start. The four judges committee constituted by the Chief Justice to examine the claim made by Class 4 Employees Association of the High Court for granting a higher pay scale at par with their counterparts in the Delhi High Court had very minutely examined every aspect, not only vis-a-vis the work performed by Class 4 employees of the High Court with that of the State Secretariat, but also with that of the Delhi High Court, and the committee found as a fact that the nature of the work performed by the Class 4 employees of the High Court to maintain the dignity and standard of the High Court and to contribute to the smooth functioning in the court was different and distinct stop. The committee therefore concluded that Class 4 employees of the High Court were entitled to the same pay scale as was provided by the Delhi High Court to its Class 4 employees stop. The Supreme Court in Union of India and Annexer versus S.B. Vohra and others emphasized that it is not always helpful to raise issues about financial implications vis-a-vis the effect of grant of a particular scale of pay on the ground that the same would have an adverse effect on other employees of the state, and that scale of pay is fixed on certain norms, one of which the quantum of work undertaken by the officers concerned as well as the extent of efficiency and integrity required to be maintained stop. In Supreme Court Employees Welfare Association versus Union of India and Annexer 10, the Supreme Court observed that the government must bear in mind that the Chief Justice alone can really appreciate the nature of work done by the employees of the High Court, and if the government does not desire to meet the needs of the High Court, the administration of the High Court will face severe crisis stop. At this stage, we also consider it appropriate to refer to the decisions of the Supreme Court that have highlighted the rule-making power of the Chief Justice of a High Court under Article 227 within bracket 2 of the Constitution, and the role of the governor of a state while considering the grant of approval to the rules made under Article 227 within bracket 2 relating to salary allowances, leave or pensions stop. In S.B. Vohra and others stop, the Supreme Court observed stop independence of the High Court is an essential feature for working of the democratic form of the government in the country stop.